So these plants all around here are called Datura, Brugmansia arboreum. They've got big, big, wide leaves and these flowers. And actually over here, you can see these ones are opening. The ones here, which are the pink variety, are kind of, these ones are shriveling. And this is actually a plant, Brugmansia arboreum Datura. It's from the upper Amazon in Latin America. I know it from Peru because I wrote a book called Trail of Feathers, which was largely about flight and the idea of flight and how people flew in ancient times, mostly, of course, allegorical flight and by taking hallucinogens. And this stuff is the wildest, craziest hallucinogen since modern hallucinogens made in laboratories. It's apparently what medieval witches took in order to give a sensation that they were flying. They would apply it on a salve on their forehead and on the inner thighs, and then they would ride a broomstick. And that's why we get the idea of witches flying. And then they would pass out while they were on the broomstick with their feet rooted on the ground. They would pass out thinking they had flown over the jungle or over the fields or over the towns and cities or villages. And I've taken it with a mixture of ayahuasca, Banisteriopsis carpi. It is astonishingly potent, just thinking about it now. And I remember being with a tribe called the Machaginga. And the Machaginga in Peru, I asked them, do you take Datura? And they said, well, we rarely take it because it's so crazily strong. But then they looked sideways at me, or one guy did, and he said, well, we give it to our children sometimes when they're naughty, and to our hunting dogs as well. So here at Da Khalifa, I try just to look at it, and I don't mix it into my tea.